Today we do the install for one of our homeowners because of the recent hailstorm in Gastonia, North Carolina. And I wanted to show you the shingle and tell you a little bit about the shingle we're using today. It is the Atlas Pinnacle Pristine line. It is the 50-year lifetime architectural shingle, and what I truly like about the Atlas a little bit more than the other manufacturers, that Atlas comes a little bit bigger on exposure. So the shingle itself is 1.5 inch wider, which is making it more of the dimensional look. And another thing they do differently, they implement the Scotch Guard, well-known Scotch Guard we knew through years and years, for the algae resistant, giving the best algae resistant warranty between all of the shingle materials available on the market. The lifetime 130 mile wind ratio, 42 HP technology, and it is class 3 shingle. And as I were telling you before about the shingle itself, about the installation instructions, take a look at this. This is why we want to go staggered. Don't hit no nails between the two pieces connecting underneath. And when the water hit between two, it's run right on top of the other one without getting any chance go inside of the attic.